Have you ever dreamt of walking into a store and seeing your children's book on the shelves? I created a workbook to help you make that dream come true. Hi, I'm Eevi, USA Today bestselling writer and award-winning author and ghostwriter of over 70 children's books. My workbook, How to Get Your Children's Book into Any Store, gives you step-by-step strategies, ready-to-use scripts, and planning tools so you can confidently reach out to stores and get a yes. And why a workbook? Because that way you can take action right away. So by the end, you'll have built your very own personalized outreach strategy. And here's the best part. Once you've mastered this outreach, you can apply the very same approach to connect with the media, influencers, and even celebrities, taking your book further than you ever imagined. Your dream of walking into a store and spotting your own children's book? It's closer than you think, and I'll show you how. To learn more, visit www.eevijones.com.